Ready to peek into the future of your Galaxy phone before the rest of the world? Samsung just dropped a surprise early beta for One UI 8. Yes, the next big Android-based update is sneaking out sooner than expected. But here's the real question. Are you ready to test drive Samsung's fresh new interface and features before anyone else? It's not just about flashy visuals this time. This update promises smoother performance, smarter tweaks, and subtle but powerful improvements that could change how you use your phone daily. Curious? You should be. Hey, welcome back, folks! Sam here. If you want to keep up with the latest tech news, juicy leaks, and insider tips to get the most out of your devices, smash that like button, share this video, and hit subscribe. I've got a ton of exciting updates coming your way, so don't miss out. Now, let's jump in. Samsung's One UI 8 beta based on Android 16 is already rolling out in select countries. Think India, South Korea, the USA, Germany, Poland, the UK, and China. If you live in one of these regions and own one of Samsung's latest flagships, like the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Z Fold 7, or even the S25 series, you're on the front lines for early access. If you've been frustrated by the delays and hiccups with the previous One UI 7 beta, this time Samsung is really speeding things up, releasing multiple beta builds fast to polish the experience before the stable rollout. But here's the twist. Unlike the big visual overhauls we've seen before, One UI 8 is all about finesse. It's a refinement, a performance boost, and an interface cleanup that might fly under the radar for casual users, but will definitely enhance your everyday phone interactions. For example, Samsung's Reminder app is getting a sleek redesign, ditching the bulky side menu for a cleaner, card-based top menu that gives you quick access to categories like Today, Scheduled, Important, and even location-based reminders. Instead of hunting through cluttered menus, you just tap a card and boom, your tasks are right there. And speaking of cards, there's a cool new scroll feature that lets you minimize the cards to maximize your screen real estate. It's one of those small touches that feels effortless but can totally change your productivity game. The plus icon for adding reminders, it's no longer floating awkwardly. Instead, it's integrated smoothly inside the text field. Minimalistic, modern, and intuitive. This subtle change alone cuts down on distractions and gives the app a fresh, modern vibe. But hold on, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Early leaks hint that core Samsung apps like Notes, Calendar, and Messages are also getting similar makeovers, smarter layouts, cleaner designs, and new features that tie seamlessly into the One UI 8 ecosystem. Imagine taking notes or managing events with apps that feel faster and more intuitive, making your day flow smoother without the usual tech headaches. Wondering how to jump into this beta yourself? It's pretty straightforward. First, make sure your Samsung Members app is up to date and you're signed in with the same Samsung account linked to your device. Once the beta goes live, and it could be any day now, a banner will appear at the top of the app inviting you to enroll. Tap that banner, register, and your phone will start downloading the beta build. Keep in mind, beta versions are works in progress, so expect some bugs and rough edges, but also the thrill of testing cutting-edge features before they hit the mainstream. Samsung typically runs beta programs over several weeks, pushing at least 4 updates before the final stable release lands. This means you'll get a front-row seat to watch One UI 8 evolve in real time, with new improvements rolling out regularly based on user feedback. That's the beauty of betas. You're not just a bystander, you're part of shaping the update. But here's a curveball you might not have expected. Samsung's beta is quite selective geographically. It's sticking to a handful of countries with active beta communities, which means if you're outside those regions, you might have to wait for the official stable release. It's a bit of a bummer, but it's also how Samsung manages feedback effectively without overwhelming their testing resources. So if you're in, get ready for a fun ride. If you're out, hang tight because the final update will still bring plenty of polish and performance boosts. Now, here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Despite being a refinement, One UI 8 includes under-the-hood tweaks that can improve battery life and device responsiveness, thanks to Android 16's optimized background processes. That means your phone could run cooler and last longer on a single charge, always a win in my book. And while One UI 8 might not be a radical redesign, Samsung is still making some clever moves on customization options, letting you fine-tune your home screen and notifications with more precision than ever. Plus, enhanced privacy controls and better integration with Samsung's ecosystem mean your data stays safer and your devices work together more seamlessly. So what's the bottom line? One UI 8 is shaping up to be a smooth, smart, and sleek update that makes your Galaxy phone feel fresh without the headaches of a major overhaul. If you love being on the bleeding edge, joining the beta could be your ticket to exploring new features and helping Samsung iron out the final kinks. And if you prefer stability, the stable rollout will bring all the best bits in a polished package soon enough. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Are you excited to test the One UI 8 beta, or do you prefer to wait for the final release? What features are you most curious about? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. I read every single one and love chatting tech with you all. If this deep dive helped you get a clearer picture of what's coming, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your tech buddies, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support really helps me keep bringing you these exclusive updates and tech insights. Alright, that's all for today. Stay tuned because we'll be back soon with hands-on reviews, tips, and everything you need to master One UI 8 once it's out. Until then, this is Sam signing off. Keep being awesome, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.